Today, we're out in a rural backyard where the crew is working on something you don't see every day anymore, digging an old-style hand-dug earth well. Unlike modern machines, this job is done almost entirely by manpower. The process starts with a manual drilling tool that's twisted one circle at a time straight into the soil. To keep it steady, a counterweight is hung on top. Otherwise, the drill would swing side to side uncontrollably. Every time they drill down about 40 centimeters, the rod has to be disconnected, and the soil is carefully hauled up. This method feels like stepping back in time. About 20 or 30 years ago, people would literally climb down into the ground and dig with shovels. The loose earth was pulled up with ropes. It worked, but it was extremely dangerous. This updated version, though still labor-intensive, avoids most of the safety risks. For hours later, the drilling is complete at a depth of 9 meters. Interestingly, the owner of this property had another well dug in the same spot 20 years ago, and this one follows that same depth. Now comes the next step, lowering concrete rings, known as culvert pipes, into the hole to reinforce the walls. Back in the day, wells were bricked up piece by piece, but now it's faster and safer to just stack these heavy pipes. Once the casing is in, workers pour in a load of yellow sand. The sand not only stabilizes the pipe, but also acts as a natural filter, helping the water stay clean. After about 5.5 hours, the job is wrapped up. Starting at 6 a.m., the crew worked straight through until nearly 11:30. And sure enough, fresh groundwater has already begun seeping in. The well can't be used immediately, though. The water has to settle overnight, so it clears up. By tomorrow, it'll be ready to use, providing safe, natural water for years to come. It's a fascinating mix of tradition and practicality. In an age of machines, watching this kind of hand-dug craftsmanship feels like witnessing a piece of history that may disappear within a generation.